Hello students, welcome to all of the students of KBP Mahavidyalaya Pandharpur YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about our semester first paper 9th. Name of the paper Physical Chemistry. According to our university, paper number 9th, those paper may be included 3 topics. Out of these 3 topics, first topic phase equilibria, second topic phase rule, phase equilibria, then next topic photochemistry, and third topic electromotive force. Just I shall tell to you one of the nature. Those nature may be regarded as 70 marks for theory paper and 30 marks for internal assessment. Those may be regarded for all the papers. Paper 10, same as 11, same as 12 year. Let me know about, we study about our most important topic, that is electromotive force. Those are also represented here, electromotive force. In short, we have to call them, that is EMF. Just about that topic, some of the contents, and those content may be regarded as how you have to determine single electrode potential. Those may be regarded by consideration of our Nernst equation, and those Nernst equation may be carried out in case of our E cell. What is E? Electromotive force, and C means here cell. We have to determine E cell by knowing some of the terms which are come to cross to study about those topic. Let me know about in case of our EMF, how the introductory part may be regarded as. Those introductory part may be like here, just like here we have to see first one, that is introduction. How those introductions may be carried out? Those introductions may be related to only electrochemistry. How we have to call about electrochemistry? Before we have to see how the transport of electron from one substance to another substance. How at the condition say harnessed means to increase the electrical energy, we have to call that is to do the electrical works. Here those electrochemistry means EMF, we have to represent it in the form of some of the thermodynamics parameters which are related to that concepts. Those electromotive force are maybe regarded, we have to useful in case of our to determination of pH, to determination of equilibrium constant, also to determination of solubility and sparingly soluble salts. Also those are here useful in case of our change in free energy. Those change in energy may be regarded as delta of G. Change in enthalpy may be regarded as here delta of H. And last term, that is change in entropy, may be regarded as a delta of S. Here to start about this topic particularly, some of the terms which are related and which are come to cross study about those topic, as like here electrochemistry. Those electrochemistry, how you have to call electrochemistry here? Electrochemistry is 2 types of energies. Which energies here? One energy may be like here, how we have to define the term electrochemistry in the form of here change in energies. Those change in energy may be regarded as electrical energy may be converted into chemical energy, and chemical energy may be converted into electrical energy. About that we have to say those one cell we have to prepare, and some of the term maybe we have to cross about those topic, and those term may be regarded as here one term of electrochemical cells. How we have to call electrochemical cells here? Those cells we have to prepare firstly. How here? Electrochemical cells. One term may be regarded one metal or one rod or one electrode deep in the ionic solution of same electrodes. Electrolytes here, not electrode, electrolytes. As like example here, Zn solid. In presence of here ZnSO4 aqueous means zinc rod or zinc metal in ionic solution of that electrolyte means here zinc sulfate solutions here. Here two types of the cells may be appear here. Those cells may be regarded as one is which one here? One like here voltaic cell, second like here that is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell may be like electrical energy may be converted into chemical energy. Voltaic cell or galvanic cell we have to call chemical energy may be converted into the electrical energy. Due to those situations, one of the term may appear. We have to prepare one particular cell that is electrochemical cell. Zinc in zinc sulfate, copper in copper sulfate. The best example of the Daniell cell we can call that is the voltaic cell. Maybe like in case of how zinc metal or zinc rod in that of particular solutions, ionic solutions, say zinc sulfate solution, and copper rod or copper metal in copper sulfate solution. This is one half cell zinc in zinc sulfate. Second half cell that is copper in copper sulfate. At the time being there may be development of reduction as well as oxidation at the zinc. Here at zinc electrode that is oxidation take place means loss of electron. Secondly at copper electrode what happen here that is to gain of electron means reduction take place. We have to say about here oxidation, here there is a reduction here. In case of this between them one half cell another half cell one electrochemical cells are prepared, those we have to represent in one net cell reaction or balance reactions here. Here about this one 2E gets cancelled like here Zn solid plus Cu plus aqueous in presence of here Zn plus aqueous plus Cu solid. This situation totally we have called one electrochemical cells are here prepared. About these electrochemical cells we have to find out equilibrium constant to determine pH, solubility and solubility of sparingly soluble salt, also to determine one of the best thermodynamic terms. Those may be like here change in free energy, change in enthalpy, change in entropy and so on. Other term may be regarded about this one, how we have to call that is electrode. What is electrode? Electronic transfer of material. From that concepts we have to call that is electrode. Means electronic transfer. Maybe we have to call that is metal. Those we have to call electrode here. Then some of the term may be again appear here that is half cell. Just I also tell you about half cell here. How half cell? Zinc solid formation Zn plus aqueous plus 2 electron. This is one half cell. We have to call about this half cell metal which conduct electron. That's to appear one half cell here, isn't it? Then about this one oxidation reduction, just I should tell to you by giving those examples what electrochemical cells may be appear by consideration of these concepts. How we have to say about this particular oxidation means here loss of electron. Reduction means here to gain of electron. Because of this complete one cell reactions can appear, that is a net cell reactions here. That is half cell here. Oxidation and reductions are here completed. Remaining maybe like here about their situations. We have to come about anode and cathode. How you to call anode? Negative terminal of that electrode is anode. Then second positive terminal of that metal or electrode is here cathode here. This term may be also come about to study this next part of this topic about electromotive course here. Then a representation of cell. Actually, we have to come in contact about this representation of particular cell may be regarded as 4 parts here. Which are those 4 parts here? One part anode, negative terminal, cathode, positive terminal. Secondly, we have to use here salt bridge to connect the 2 half cells here. And how we have to call about this salt bridge here? Salt bridge is a particularly say in this matter we have to represent this U-tube here. How this U-tube may be regarded by consideration of this part here. Totally, those salt bridges are prepared by means of here agar-agar powder. One of the salt, those may be KCl salt, those may be NH4NO3 salt or any other salt. We have to totally immerse in that U-shaped tube, and finally those are prepared. And those, what is the purpose of this U-tube? That is the salt bridge here, to connect the 2 half cells. This half cell and this half cell may be connected by means of this salt bridge. If you have to use salt bridge, there is a double vertical lines are present. Then third point may be single vertical line, that is single vertical line may be phase boundary, only phase boundary. Just like I also given one of the example, Zn solid single vertical line, that is a Zn zinc sulfate solution aqueous. This single vertical line, double vertical line about salt bridge, single vertical line, only phase boundary here. Then we have to represent this particular cell finally in the form of here, this EC is equal to E of R minus E of ER. What do you know about this E cell? E cell is equal to E of right and E of L. The difference between them may be regarded ER minus EL. We have to calculate, that is a E cell. Some of the parts may be regarded particularly further. Those may be like here thermodynamic electrode potential. We have to particularly call those part is a single electrode potential, that is Nernst equation for single electrode potentials. We have to see in the next part.